Good morning, everyone. Today I will be introducing our project titled Smart City of the Future Voyage of 6G and IoT. As the technology continues to evolve, cities around the world are becoming smarter by integrating digital technologies such as Internet of Things or IoT. IoT refers to everyday physical device like traffic light, trash bins, or surveillance camera that are embedded with a sensor and can communicate data in real time. This smart device collect informations and help improve city service from traffic management to public safety and environmental monitoring. However, to make all of this possible, we need a powerful communication system, and that's where 5G and the upcoming 6G come in. 5G offer ultra-fast data speeds, low latency, and the ability to connect millions of devices at once. Meanwhile, 6G, which is still in development, promises even higher speed, stronger AI integrations, and near instant response time. In this project, our goal is to visualize how data travels or takes a voyage through a smart city telecommunication system from the sensor all the way to the end user. To help you understand how this works, we use the basic communication model, a simple way to explain how data move from one point to another. In our smart city example, we focus on smart traffic light system. First, we have the information source, a traffic sensor such as a camera or inductive loop detector that detects how many cars are at the intersection. Next is the transmitter. This is the IoT gateway, a device that collects the sensor data, process it, and prepare it for transmission. Then the data move through the transmission medium. In our case, the 5G network, the signal travels wirelessly to a 5G base station or cellular tower. After that, the receiver, usually a cloud-based server, pick up the data and analyze it. Finally, the destination. A smart city application such as a traffic management system uses this information to adjust traffic light timings in a real time. This whole process happens in just a few seconds, and with the future 6G technology, it will be even faster and more intelligent. This communication flow is the backbone of how smart cities operate and how we envision the future of urban connectivity. That's all.
Hi everyone, I will be talking about noise in the context of 6G and IoT communication systems. In telecommunications, noise refers to any unwanted signals or interference that disrupt the transmission of data. It's like trying to have a conversation in a noisy room. You might hear part of what's being said, but not all of it clearly. This is exactly what happens when noise affects communication between devices in a smart city. There are many different sources of noise. Some comes from within the electronic device themselves, like thermal noise, which is caused by the movement of electrons in the circuit. Others come from outside, like environmental noise due to weather or interference from buildings. There are also crosstalks, which happens when signals from one channel interfere with another channel, and impulse noise, which can caused by sudden electrical spikes. In a city full of connected sensors, machines, and vehicles, all of these can form of noise can interfere with the signal being sent and received. Noise matters because a smart city rely on fast, accurate, and real-time communication. If noise disrupts that communication, it can lead to problems like corrupted data, delays in sending important information, or even devices making wrong decisions. For example, a self-driving car receiving a noisy data from traffic sensors could misjudge a situation and cause an accident. Fortunately, 6G and IoT technologies are being built to handle noise much better than older systems. They use advanced techniques like AI-based error correction, beamforming to focus signal strength, and adaptive system that can change how data is sent depending how much noise there is. This improvement can help to ensure that even in a busy signal-filled environment like smart city, communication stay smooth, fast, and reliable. In short, noise is a major challenge in telecommunication, but it's one that 6G and IoT are designed to overcome, making our cities smarter, safer, and more efficient.
Hi everyone. So, let's start with the advantages. First, with 6G, cities will experience ultra-fast connectivity and almost zero delay in communication. This means faster data exchange between everything from cars and traffic lights to hospital and smart homes. Second, IoT sensors will allow cities to manage their resources more efficiently. For example, monitoring energy usage, detecting water leaks, or managing waste in real time. Third, transportation will be smarter. With 6G and IoT, we can have autonomous vehicle, intelligent traffic systems, and better coordination of public transport, all reducing traffic jams and emissions. Public safety will also improve. Real-time surveillance and AI can help detect crime, alert emergency service faster, and even predict risks before they happen. In healthcare, remote monitoring and virtual consultation will become more advanced, improving access for patients no matter where they are. Finally, smart cities help us track environmental data like air quality and noise level, so we can plan more sustainable and healthier urban environment. Now, on to the disadvantages. The biggest concern is privacy. With so many sensors and cameras collecting data, there's a real risk of surveillance and data misuse. Then, there's cybersecurity. Every connected device is a potential target for hackers. And if essential systems like power grids or hospital are attacked, the result could be serious. Cost is another factor. Building and maintaining this technology is extremely expensive, which could widen the gap between rich and poor cities. The complexity of this system also makes them hard to manage. Different technologies need to work together perfectly, or the whole system might fail. There's also the issue of job loss, as automation and AI take over roles in transport, administration, and maintenance. Lastly, the more we rely on the tech, the more vulnerable we become to outages, bugs, or malfunctions. If the system goes down, entire parts of the city might stop functioning. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'm excited to talk you about a future that already taking shape around us, which is our topic. So, this topic combines two revolutionary technologies, which is 6G and the Internet of Things (IoT), that are shaping how we live, move, interact in urban environment. So, why did we choose this topic? Simple. Our city are getting bigger, busier and more complex. With this rapid urbanization comes challenge like traffic congestion, energy consumption, waste management and public safety. We choose this telecommunication topic because 6G and IoT offer real and futuristic solution of this real world problem. 6G is expected to be 100 times faster than 5G with almost zero latency and the capacity to connect millions of devices per square kilometer. Meanwhile, IoT enable everyday objects like car, street light, building, and even trash bins to collect and share data, making our city system smarter and more responsive. The voyage of 6G and IoT isn't just about faster phone or smarter gadget. It's about creating cities that are smarter, safer, more efficient, and more livable. By embracing this technology, we are laying the groundwork for a sustainable, inclusive, and intelligent future. Thank you.